Hi my dear learners. Welcome back to my channel. I know you want to read words and sentences, so what are you waiting for? Come and let us read together.
Now, we are going to read these words. Bad, dad, fad, lad, mad, bad, sad.
Great job!
Bag, fag, hag, lag, nag, rag, sag, tag, wag.
You are amazing!
Bam, dam, ham, pam, ram, sam, tam, yam.
Nice one, kids!
Ban, can, dan, fan, man, pan, ran, tan, van.
Very good, kids!
Cap, lap, map, nap, sap, tap, zap.
You are amazing!
Bar, car, far, jar, war.
You're doing great!
Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, pat, rat, sat, vat.
Great job!
Sentences. A sad dad in the cab. Nab the bad lad. Dad had a pad. Lad had a dad. Dad gave the mad lad. Dad is sad and mad.
Congratulations!
Dad had a bag. The bag has a tag. Rag in the bag. Rag nag the hag. The hag sag in the mat.
Great job!
Sam had a yam. Bam has a yam. It is a ham for Tam. Ram on the dam. Ram has a jam in the bag.
Nice one, kids!
A fan in the van. Dan has a van. The man ran. Jan has a fan. My fan is tan. The man has a fan.
Very good, kids!
The cap is on his lap. Sap in the cap. Tap the cap on the map. Sam has a map. Pam nap on her lap.
Congratulations! You made it, kids!
Thank you for watching. To watch this video offline, you can download this video anytime. If you want to read with me, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye learners, see you soon.